Hi guys, happy Monday. Today's the 26th, I think, I'm not sure. But I just got this shipment in and I wanted to do an unboxing. I have no makeup on, my hair is like in a bun. You guys know I don't care, so I literally just got this from FedEx maybe like 10 minutes ago and I was super excited, so I wanted to unbox it. It's my lashes that I just ordered, so we're gonna do an unboxing. I wanted to sanitize the box, but let me see if I could. I just can't get this out. It's fine, I'll wash my hands after. I kind of sprayed it already, but all right, so I actually ordered these lashes. Oh, by the way, we're in my living room. There's like dog toys everywhere, so excuse all that. So I ordered these lashes on Tuesday last week and they got here today. Like, that was freaking fast. My vendor ships through FedEx, so they're usually pretty quick. I guess it's express shipping. Should I, I'm gonna lower this so you guys can kind of see a little bit more. There you go. I'm so excited. I got new, hold on guys. There, that's better. I got new boxes to match my new colors that I have going on. So I'm super excited. They always tape everything like so extra, which is good because they pack them up pretty well. I could see. All right, that was easy. So throw that there. I'm gonna bring you guys down a little more so you guys can see. Oh, there we go. All right. So these are my lashes. Oh my God. Okay. So let's see. Can you see my face? There. That way you guys can still see me. So, wait, did he label them? Oh, I got 11, 11, let me make sure, I have my notes here. Yeah, I got 11 lashes of each style, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna count them, guys. Always make sure that you count your stuff. Cute. All right, let me show you guys my packaging. Look at it's black holographic trim. So pretty. And then it's just black all around. I love it. So I don't know if you guys noticed on my Instagram and my website, I'm changing, and my logo, I'm changing like my colors. It's gonna, I mean, black and white I already had, but I kind of added more black to my logo and then incorporating the holographic into it. So pretty, oh my gosh. All right, so we're gonna make sure that we have everything we ordered. I like my vendor, he's pretty good, but you still gotta check, guys. So this one is what? This is 109. Do you guys, I think you guys wanna see the lashes, not me, huh? There we go. All right, so this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, perfect. Ah, I'm so excited. Look how pretty they are. So that's one style. I think this one, it's kind of dramatic, but not really. We'll see the other ones. Okay, so this is all good. These are here. Let me get my pen. All right. Okay, so that one's good. Put that there. Now these, I feel like I was crooked. Okay, I see what he did. Then he did these. Okay, perfect. So that's one, that's another, that's another one. All right. I like that he wrapped them like this because last time he just rubber banded them and like some of them fell when I was trying to like open them, and then I got so confused and I had to like go back and check, but he gave me this. I think this is trash. All right, so let's check all these, which they look to be okay. So this one is number 97. Oh, this one's pretty. Look at. So pretty. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, that one's good. So cross that one off. This one is 93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I can't really see this one. Let me see. Oh, this one's nice. This one's super dramatic. Oh yeah, this is for my dramatic girls. So pretty. It's long too. That one's nice. All right, so that one's good. Put that there. This one is 85. Oh, I had to replace this one because I wanted another style and he had sold out. Let me take it out so I can see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, this one's cute. Was this the natural one? Oh yeah. 88 natural. Yeah. So I got a natural. Well, look at this one's. It's small, like compared to the other one, but it's like full, but it's tiny. Like it's a smaller lash. It's cute. I like that one. So that's good. There's 11. The reason I got 11 is because I like to buy 10 of each style, and then I keep one for myself. All right, that one was good, 85. And then 129, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. Let's see this one. this one. Yes. All right, look at this one, guys. I wanted one that was like kind of, it's not wispy, but I don't know what you call this. You see how like the lash is kind of like separate, like it's not super full. I wanted that. That's pretty. Like this makes your eyes just like pop. I love this one. All right, so this one's good. And then our last one is supposed to be a natural one, I think. Oh yeah. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Oh, this one's cute. This one's natural, but it's wispier than the other one. All right, so this one's good. All right, so this is another natural one. This one's cute too. Like, I don't know, like I love natural lashes like this, but then I will also wear like these, like for a night out. I love those. All right, they're so cute. All right, guys, so that was my lashes. I'm gonna, all right, let me bring you guys back up. So I need to, I don't want them to get separate. Let me put this back in. I need to think of names for my lashes, and then I need to start labeling them, like putting their name. And then also, I don't know if you guys noticed, it doesn't have my logo or anything because this box is a lot smaller, like the space is a lot smaller to put my logo. And he said he couldn't put it on here, which, I mean, I'm sure he could have, but he probably, I don't know. He said this was too small and he was gonna print like on the box, but I was like, you know what, forget it. I'm probably gonna do it myself. Let me grab one of my lashes. Okay, so you see what I mean? Like this was my original box, and you see how this space is much bigger, and this one's printed on there. And I guess this one, it's not that big, but I think he could have done it. I don't know, but it's fine because I think I'm gonna either I think I'm gonna do a sticker, like just a round little sticker, because I bought them already. Let me show you. Yeah, it's these. Is it these? Oh, I'll show you both. So these Avery ones, these I'm thinking, because they're clear, I'm thinking of just printing my logo on it and then just sticking it like here in the middle. But I kind of also want to put it on here with my new Cricut machine and like do vinyl on it, but we'll see. And then for the is it these? Oh yeah, for the names, I'm gonna use these labels, and these are easy. You just print them out. They're super tiny, and I always put them like right on here. So yeah, I'm so excited. Oh, this one came from here. See, that's why I always like to name everything right away, because they start getting separate and then I get confused and I don't want that. All right, so that's it, guys. I'm so excited. So if you have, I'm gonna edit this video like today and just post it right away. So if you have any suggestions for names or anything, let me know. But I think I have some names in mind. So I need to take pictures and add them to the website and all that. So today's Monday. I'll try to have them up by Wednesday, if not Thursday. But it shouldn't take me that long. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.